This video is for the daily maintenance of your Panini oven. To begin, make sure that the oven is off and cool. It'll say ready to clean on the screen. We'll begin by opening the door, placing my finger under the rack, sliding that forward and pulling that out. The rack that holds that is simply just lift from the rear, push forward, and pull out. The bottom jet plate and diverter are one piece. You lift and pull that out. Lastly, in the back of the oven, there's a return air filter. We'll pull that out and clean that as well. To begin cleaning, I'm going to use my Turbo Chef oven cleaner, a 3M Scotch green pad, and a moist towel. I'll spray the oven cleaner directly onto the moist towel and never in the oven because I don't want to get it into the back air panel, return air, to potentially damage the catalyst. So I'll put all of this on all surfaces and allow it to settle for about 5 minutes, and that'll start to loosen up any of the food deposits in the oven. Be very, very careful at the top because this is a glass plate and can be broken easily. So very, very light pressure. And again, you don't want to get anything in these back air return areas. We'll place that on, let that sit for about 5 minutes, and we'll come back and scrub this. Meanwhile, I'm going to do the same to my pieces in the back of the house and get those clean. After the cleaner has been penetrating for about 5 minutes, I'm going to take my scrub pad and really put some elbow grease onto that to get these surfaces nice and clean. After the oven has been scrubbed, I'm going to take a towel with just water and remove all the chemicals from the interior. Nice wipe down. Again, being careful at the top plate. Now that the oven has been cleaned and wiped down all the chemicals to do, I'm going to take my Turbo Chef oven guard and spray that onto a damp towel. And what this is going to do is really put a coating to prevent food from sticking to it in the future, to make my cleanings much easier the next go around. Don't be afraid to put a nice thick coat of this on. It's really going to help you in the long run. And again, everything I'm doing here, I'm applying to all of my pieces in the back to be put back in the oven. And now we're ready for reassembly. Now we're ready to begin assembling our oven. We'll take our clean air filter and place that in the accompanying slots in the rear of the oven. And just slide that in, like so. And we take our bottom jet plate and diverter with the tab facing forward, slide it on the racks and press down. Next, we're going to take our oven rack, which supports the Panini jet plate, and we're going to put these two tabs in the corresponding holes, and they're tilting it up and dropping it down. Then we're going to take our nice clean grill plate, place it on the four corners, and rest it there. Close the oven door. Now there's also the chin on the bottom of the oven that we can pull off when cleaning the exterior. That's going to be fairly snug, so you want to give it a good firm tug to remove it. And that we're going to clean along with the exterior of the oven by using just some standard glass cleaner onto a clean towel. And wipe down all the surfaces. We're going to line, there's these three pins that line up. Here I place the bottom, the other two, and I give it a good tap. And then we're finished.